Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, Australian shares are said to open higher this morning as the central bank considered pausing rate hikes for the first time at its meeting in December, citing uncertainty about the outlook for inflation in the country. The local share price index futures rose 0.8%, a 0.7-point premium to the underlying S&P ASX 200 index close. The benchmark posted its sharpest fall in over a month yesterday. Now, moving on to business news from this morning now. Transurban announced that plans to widen the M7 Motorway and connect with the new M12 Motorway in Western Sydney have received Stage 3 approval through the New South Wales Government's unsolicited proposal process. The project remains subject to planning approval. It will provide an additional lane to the M7 motorway in both directions for around 26 kilometres between the M5 motorway interchange and Preston's at Richmond Road at Oakhurst and Glendenning. Work is expected to start in calendar year 2023, with construction anticipated to take approximately 3 years. Origin has confirmed the Consortium is on track to complete its due diligence early in the new year. It's not confirmed any material adverse matters to date, and it continues to work on confirming its indicative proposal. On the 10th of November, Origin reported the receipt of an indicative conditional and non-binding proposal from a consortium comprising Brookfield Asset Management, together with its affiliates and their managed funds, and Mid-Ocean Energy. That's an LNG company formed and managed by EIG. That was to acquire the all-issued shares in Origin by way of a scheme of arrangement at a price of $9 cash per share. Origin has agreed to extend the consortium's exclusivity to the 16th of January 2023 to enable it to finalise its due diligence over the holiday period, with a view to signing binding transaction documents as soon as possible after that. Swift has signed a $1.4 million Oz Minerals contract. Swift secured the installation agreement and a new 3-year subscription agreement with Oz Minerals to service their Carrapateena mine site with Swift Access. The total contract value of both agreements is $1.4 million over the 3-year subscription term. Swift Access will allow Oz Minerals staff to cast their favourite streaming apps from their mobile straight to their room's TV. It also allows facility managers to easily upload and distribute site information such as inductions, health and safety messages directly to TVs across the site. Swift CEO Brian Mangano says they're excited to work with Oz Minerals, creating new innovative solutions to address the challenges of the FIFO lifestyle. Well, now it's time for a short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from anchor to zero coin.
And welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report, taking a quick look at global markets now. And on Wall Street, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 92.2 points or 0.28%. The S&P 500 gained 0.1%, while the Nasdaq was up 0.01%. Across the Atlantic, European markets closed mixed. Paris fell 0.4%. Frankfurt lost 0.4%, and London's FTSE closed 0.1% higher. In Asian markets, Tokyo's Nikkei lost 2.5%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell 1.3%, and China's Shanghai Composite closed 1.1% lower. Oil gained 1.2%, and gold also gained 1.7%. Silver jumped 5.2%, copper added 0.6%, and the iron ore futures are pointing to a 0.2% gain. Iron ore is 1.2% higher at $110.50 a tonne. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.